Hi guys, and welcome to the third video of this entire series. If you are watching this series from the beginning, in last session we discussed the architectural view of Azure AD Connect. We discussed what is Sync Engine and what are the components that help Sync Engine to sync changes from Active Directory to Office 365 and from Office 365 to on-premise Active Directory. In this particular video, I will be discussing what are the prerequisites and hardware requirements for Azure AD Connect. Let's divide these prerequisites in two sections. First, we will understand what changes we need to make in Azure Active Directory, and then we will discuss what are requirements that need to be met in on-premise Active Directory. Before you deploy Azure AD Connect, we need an Office 365 tenant. If you want to make a test environment, you can set up an Office 365 tenant, and this will be valid for 30 days. Once we sign up for an Office 365 tenant, we need to verify the domain in Office 365 that we want to use as a domain suffix for on-premise users. In on-premise Active Directory, we need to run IDFix tool so that duplicate objects can be identified. The Active Directory schema version and Forest functional level must be Windows Server 2003 or later. If you are planning to use password write back feature, then domain controller must be on Windows Server 2012 or later. Azure AD Connect tool must be installed on a domain joined Windows Server 2012 or later. Azure AD Connect cannot be installed on Small Business Server or Windows Essentials 2016. It can be installed on Windows Server Essentials 2019. Moreover, we cannot install Azure AD Connect on client operating system. That should be Windows Server 2012 or later. Azure AD Connect tool can be installed on Windows Server with full GUI installation. Azure AD Connect tool is not supported on Windows Server Core installation. When we install Azure AD Connect, by default, a SQL Server or SQL Server Express local DB is installed, which is a light version of SQL Server Express. SQL Server Express has a 10 GB size limit that enables you to manage approximately 100,000 objects. If you need to manage a higher number of directory objects, then we need to deploy a SQL Server or SQL Server. And you need a global admin account for Office 365 and an enterprise administrator account of on-premise Active Directory to install Azure AD Connect. Once you have met all these prerequisites, you are ready to install Azure AD Connect tool. In the next video, I will be discussing what are the service accounts that are used by Azure AD Connect tool to synchronize information from on-premise Active Directory to Azure Active Directory. So if you have learned something new from this particular video, please write in comments and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Take care.